Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah. For those who are new to my channel, welcome, and those who are returning back, welcome. Sorry, there's like a fuzz going on in front of my face. I wanted to say hello, first of all, and then also I wanted to share with you guys what I got today. I wanted to show you what I got today from Grove Collaborative. This is my first time ordering from Grove Collaborative, so I wanted to show you what I got today. It came today. I ordered it on Saturday, so it's pretty quick shipping, I would say. So I was excited to try it because I've seen other people haul it, and not really so much haul it, but I've seen a lot of the advertising around about it, and so I went ahead and jumped on the chance because there was some free items. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put my referral link down below this video, and if you want, you don't have to, but if you want, if you click on it, it takes you to Grove Collaborative's website, and there you can get 5 free items if you do a minimum purchase, which I believe is $20. You get 5 free items. That's what I did. I got 5 free items with my order. I think with everything that I purchased, I think it all came to $24 and some change, and I got 11 items, you guys. Here is the packing slip, so if you want to see kind of what it looks like, this came in with my order today. But again, you do not have to click on my referral link. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. Like, just no worries at all. But I will put the referral link down below if you want to, because if you do, then you can get the 5 free items with that minimum purchase, and then I also get a credit to use in the store for myself. So that would be really cool. But again, no worries if you don't want to, but I just want to go ahead and show you what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into what I got today. So first thing I got was, it came today. I've already peeked in here, but I haven't used any of the products yet today. I've used Mrs.Myers in the past, but it's been a long time, and so I was excited to go ahead and try it again. So the first thing I got was this glass jar. It comes in this cute little like cylinder bottle thing. It's a 16-ounce spray bottle with silicone sleeve. So on the back, it explains more about this bottle, and so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you. So I've never owned a glass bottle before for cleaning products, so it's pretty, oh, I don't want to drop it. It's pretty fancy. It has like a rubber almost sleeve. They're calling it silicone, but you can see the jar, and I like it because if you put it down on like tile, like for me, I have tile, other people may have other, whatever kind of hard surface. Like I feel like it's more protected if I like, I mean, I plan on putting it down gently, but like it's nice to have that extra protection there. So it's beautiful glass jar, and this was one of my free items. I will say that I'm really excited about that. That was pretty cool. I think it retails, I could be wrong, but $12.95 on their website. Okay, the next thing I got was some multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surfaces, 16 fluid ounces. Pumpkin scent. So I went for the fall scents for most of my order because I'm all about fall. And this is pumpkin scent, and it smells really good. I've already smelled it. So I'm excited about this, and I'll go ahead and zoom in on that for you guys. It's pumpkin scent. Honestly, I do not think I've ever used Mrs.Myers for this one, multi-surface cleaner. I've used just the dish soap before, only once, and then the hand soap maybe twice in my whole life, but I've never used the multi-surface spray. So I'm excited to go ahead and try that. So I got it in the pumpkin scent again. So here's the back. It has some more information about what it has in it, what the product has in it. And so I got that, and then I also got it in the same thing, but an apple cider scent. So I have to say, between the apple cider and the pumpkin scent, apple cider is my favorite, I will say that. But pumpkin still smells very, very good, and I would not mind ordering more pumpkin again, but I would say apple cider is my absolute favorite. It does really, really smell like apple cider. So this is another multi-surface spray for my house. So I'm going to designate this one, I think, for my kitchen cleaning, and then the pumpkin one for like my bathrooms. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that for, I usually like to have like different cleaners or different bottles for like the bathrooms versus like the kitchen. That's just how I do it. So I'm gonna have apple cider for my kitchen. It smells so good. I love this one. I'm super excited about it. Then I got apple cider dish soap. So everything comes taped like this. I opened it up to smell it, but they're all taped, you know, obviously, so that, you know, it's nice that they do that so they don't like tilt over and leak over everything. This is another apple cider scent dish soap, and I've used their dish soap before, but not the fall scent, and this smells so good. Again, I'm just super excited about the apple cider. So there it is. And then what else did I get? I got, okay, so I do not like cleaning toilets, but this is gonna give me a little motivation because I've never tried this before. This is the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner in Spearmint Scent. Kills 99% of household germs, cleans and disinfects. There you go. I think the bottle's so pretty, the color. Anyway, so I have 3 toilets to clean, so I'm not like hating the idea of cleaning toilets because I'm excited about trying this. Now, I don't like cleaning toilets ever, but I have a hard time finding a toilet cleaner that I've liked. You know what I mean? Like I've tried a lot of different toilet cleaners, and I just haven't found the one that just like works perfect for me. So I'm glad to try this, and I really hope it does work, because if it does, I'll order more. It's Method Anti-Bac Toilet. And here's the back. It says some information on the back. And then again, it's sealed with their stickers on the top. And then I got lots more stuff, guys. I know that these were free for me with my order. These are the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, and it's really, I love that it's like the size. There's 2 in there, so you know, it looks like one big sponge, but it's really 2 in there. So I think that's cool that it's like I've never tried a walnut, like I've said, walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. So this will be cool to try, like fancy, you know, like I'm really excited about trying that. And then here's the back, information about it in the back. And then I got, one of the reasons why, one of the main things I wanted to order from this, I'm not making sense. One of the things I made sure I had to put in my order, let me say it like that, is the hand sanitizer gel. I love hand sanitizer, especially like after I go grocery shopping and stuff. My hands always feel kind of, you know, because I'm touching the carts and stuff. So this is hand sanitizer gel in blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil. So I am really jazzed about getting this. This was, I think, $6.95. Yeah, $6.95 for this. And it smells really good. It smells just like oranges. So let me go ahead and, oops, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, it really smells like citrusy, like oranges were like squeezed in here. It smells so good. Blood orange, moisturizing coconut oil, which I need the moisturizing because I wash my hands all the time, so my hands tend to get dry. Eliminates 99% of germs. I'm not sure if I'm repeating myself. Sorry if I am, but there's the info about that. Then another thing I got was this is really what one of the things I really wanted to get was this adorable caddy. It has their logo on it right there. And I love that the color of it, it's very farmhouse looking, you know, like that is so adorable. Here's the bottom of it. Anyway, I thought that was really cute, and it will hold my products in it. If I don't use it to hold my products in it, then I will use it for like decoration. For like, you know, I could put like pumpkins in there. That'd be cute for like some of my fall decorations or like Thanksgiving, you know. Like I could put it on my table or anywhere in the bathroom. It's so cute. I'm almost like wanting to do that, like for fall decorations, like use it for that. So then I got, what else, you guys? Whoops, sorry, that was loud. I think I showed you the dish soap already, and if not, I'm just going to show it one more time. There's the dish soap in case I didn't show it. That's the apple cider scent. Then I also got the lemon verbena or verbena. I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. Verbena. I think I want to say it's verbena, lemon verbena scent lotion. I really need lotion, more lotion. I can never have enough of that. So there it is, and it does smell really good. I did smell it a few minutes ago, and it does smell, has like a clean smell to it. It smells like lemon. It smells really, really good. So it says the herb lemon verbena has a light, wonderfully mild citrus scent that's believed to invigorate and pick you up. So clean, so fresh. So it's got shea butter and almond oil in it. So I'm excited to go ahead and use that. And like I said, I'm going to put it by my kitchen sink. So here's the back, like what some of the ingredients are in it, if you want to see. Then I also got two, not one, but two hand soaps. So I wanted to have one. I actually should have ordered more hand soap, but that'll be another time when I do another order, because I have 3 bathrooms. So I want to put one in each bathroom, but I also want one in my kitchen. So this one will be for my kitchen right now. It's the pumpkin scent hand soap. And then this one will be for the bathroom downstairs, the guest bathroom. So anyway, it smells really good. I love fall scents. I'm like, oh, just love fall scents. So fall scents, scented things, I should say. So sounds like I'm saying scents, like common sense, but no, scent. Okay, yeah. So anyway, even the box, like I could smell this stuff from my box. Like when I get near my box, I can smell all these fragrances. They smell so good. And then I think that is it, you guys. So let me show you around like everything. I'm gonna throw them all in the caddy, what will fit. So show you like kind of like an overview again of what I got. I don't want to break my glass jar. That would be awful. Let's see. So let me show you a couple things that will fit in the caddy, and you can kind of get an idea. Let's see. Let me make it more fun with this here and there. Yeah. So yeah. So you can see everything that fits in my this caddy. So it's holding six products in there. So I love this thing. It's so cute. But yeah, and so I got all this again. This is just like a wrap up of what I got. So I got all this, and then I got the toilet cleaner and these guys. So I got 11 items again, all for $24 and some change. So anyway, that was I'm really excited about it. Here's the box that it came in. If anybody wants to know kind of like what the box looks like, I was kind of like Holler has a cool box. Well, I don't think they use the orange box anymore at Holler, but that's another. I'm going off here on a tangent there, but I order from Holler too, but I haven't gotten a Holler color box, the orange one box, in a while, so I'm not sure if they've stopped. But anyway, so this is the box that it came in today. So anyway, so that's my haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you can kind of get an idea of like what is there to offer from their, like what, if this helps you kind of get an idea of what is on their website. And it's kind of cool to see what people get and what people decide to order, So I'm really excited about this. And I'm going to get to cleaning. Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and I'll be back soon with another haul, okay, guys? Take care and have a wonderful evening, okay? All right, talk to you later. Bye.